once you've already found your miter, you drew it out, you got your cut, right? You cut everything, it looks good. Well, now you got to figure out the cutback on this odd angle miter, right? So what you can do is you're gonna get your tape measure. You measure up from this corner right here to get center of the fitting. This is a 3-inch pipe, so we're gonna go 4.5 up. You mark it. Okay, that gets you the center of pipe. So whatever degree you have, you're gonna do the same thing. So whatever you had here, you're gonna do here. Come here, you're gonna go 4.5. Okay, then get your square, set it down, come over, and you just draw a straight line. Doesn't matter how long, you want these lines to intersect. So do the same thing here, line it up, make a mark. Okay, then all you're gonna do is you're gonna measure from the mark you made to the intersecting point. Okay, so in this case, we got 3 3/4, and this should be the same. Come here, 3 3/4, same. So this angle is for 80 degrees. Okay, so the cutback on a 3-inch pipe at 80 degrees is 3 3/4. Okay. So how I got this right here, the 4.5, it's because that's the cutback on a 3-inch 90, right? So this line just shows you the arc. So you line it up, okay? So this mark matches up here, and if you did the same thing on the lower end, it'd match up right here. Now you gotta keep the cutback on a regular 90 in mind, because that's how you're gonna get your center here, and that's also how you're gonna get your center on your whatever degree you want, whether it's 80, 34, 20, whatever, okay? The reason that it's important is because this is staying on the same arc line. So when you go to transfer it over, no matter what, center of pipe is gonna be the same, no matter what the degree is, but it'll change your cutback. So if you have less here, now these intersecting lines will intersect at a different point, which will give you a different cutback for whatever miter you're trying to figure out. So that's how I got the 4.5. So for any size pipe, all it is the pipe size plus half. So if you have a 3-inch pipe, half a 3-inch or half a 3 is 1.5. Add them together, it equals 4.5. So that'd be your cutback on a regular 90, a regular fitting, and that goes for any size pipe. Okay, that's universal. So whatever size you're working on, whether it's 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, you could fit a 6-inch up here. That'll determine how high you go here, and it also determine how far you go along your miter line. And then that'll determine your intersecting points, measure, and then you'll get your cutback for whatever degree fitting you need. So yeah, that's about it.